Okay, now we're looking at measures 9 through 16, the second small part of Can You Feel the Love Tonight? Let's take a look at it. Scroll down here. Starting at measure 9, please notice that the phrasing that they use is the same as the ones that we saw in measures 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, etc. Okay? So this whole 2 0 1 3 1 0, exactly the same. Okay? Just as a quick refresher, I'll play it for you. Here's what it looks like. Okay. Take that small part and play it enough times that you feel comfortable, and I think you'll be good to go. Here's where things start getting a little bit tricky. Okay, measures 9, 10, and 11 and 12 are repeated material. That's a piece of cake. Let's move on to 13 through 16. Here's where things start getting a little hairy. So, bum, 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 ba-da-da-dum. It's a pretty big jump. Take it in small enough sections that it doesn't feel like you're doing that much work. So let's start with just measure 13. Okay, do just one small section at a time, like this. 1, 2, again measure 13. Okay. Once you feel okay with that, move on. Let's look at just measure 14. Okay, if you look at it on its own, not too tough. 1 finger per fret and just a little bit of string changing. One more time, watch closely. Okay. Watch on that open string, by the way. Anytime there's an open string and then immediately after a couple of fretted notes, do your best to try to get your fingers in position while that open string is happening and make your life a lot easier. Okay. Let's take a look at measure 15. No big deal there, only 4 notes. Okay. One more time. 1, 0, change strings. 3, 0. And then I would prefer it at measure 16. I know it's got just to be with you. And do me a favor, though. I know it's in this measure. Kind of stop your study of this song, or at least this part of the song, here. Pretend that this is part of the next phrase, okay? We're going to stop there. So that means it's easier for us. It's just this one note, okay? 3 on the second string. Everybody wins. Let's take measure 13 through 16 and just see. We'll leave this last note out, but we're going to play everything up to it. Here it comes. 1, 2, measure 13, slow. Here we go. Okay. All we did was take the small parts that we performed one at a time and strung them together. And you guys can totally do that. One more time, a little faster. Measure 13 through 16. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Okay. Take as much time as you need to get these parts down. Do it slowly and correctly, and you're going to do great. Let's back up to the beginning of the song. Let me change the way that we're looking at it real quick. There we go. All right, we're going to go back up to the beginning of the song. We're going to take measure 1, and we're going to stop at measure 16. Okay, and you guys can see it from here to here. Okay, from here to here, just the first couple of lines of the song. All right. And like I said, there's so much repeated material here that even though it looks tough because there's a lot of stuff, so much of it repeats that it's actually going to be really easy for you to knock this one out. Okay, take a look. Here we go. Okay, and I'll play it slow. Let's see both hands, Mr. Anderson. There we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, measure 9 starts here. 3, here's measure 11. 2, measure 13, here it comes. Seems like a lot. It's not. Take it in small sections and you'll find a lot of repeated material and it'll make the run of the thing very, very easy for you. Cool. Next stop is measures 17 through 25.